2017 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS 4-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, bed liner, passenger airbag, power windows, electronic stability control, bucket seats, side head airbag, CD player, child safety locks, MP3 player. Come take a test drive today.